Imagine a treasure chest with hundreds, tens, and ones of ice cubes instead of gold coins. How do we count them all? Hello everyone and welcome to Math in 2 Minutes, where we cover all math. In today's video we're going to explore place value again, but this time we will focus on the hundreds, tens and ones. So let's start. The first place from the right is called the ones, and this one, since these are groups of tens, we call it the tens, as we learned before. This is 10 by 10, so each of these groups is made of hundreds. Now all what you need to do to know this number is to write how many ones do you see? 1, 2, 3, so we have 3 in the ones. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 4 tens. How many groups of hundreds? We have 1, 2, so 2 hundreds. So this number is 243. So again, ones, tens and hundreds. And we can write this, we can expand it like this. You start with the biggest one, this is 200, plus the next place is 4 in the tens, so 4 in the tens is 40, plus 3. Now let's do some examples. In 983, what is the value of the 9? So this is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the hundreds. So since the digit 9 is in the hundreds place, the value is 900. Let's break 809 into hundreds, tens and ones. In other words, let's expand it. So 809 could be expanded as 8 in the hundreds, so that's 800, plus the next place is the tens, and since there is nothing here, it's just a 0, you can just write 0, 0, or you can forget about it. And the next one is the ones, is 9, so plus 9, so 809. Last example, write this number in symbols. So we have 4 in the hundreds, 6 in the tens, and since there is no ones, we're just gonna place a 0. So our number is 460. That's it for today. See you in a new video from Math in 2 Minutes. Pandabood